In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take smart notes using a free Notion template. This is a great tool for organizing your ideas and improving your productivity. Let's dive right in and walk through the process of getting started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Notion's website. Once there, locate and click on the button that says Get Notion Free. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. You can do this easily by choosing the Continue with Google option. This allows you to sign up seamlessly using your Google account credentials, making the process quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, head over to the Notion Marketplace. This is where you'll find a variety of templates and tools that can enhance your Notion experience. In the Marketplace, use the search bar to look for Smart Notes. This will help you locate the specific template we'll be working with today. Once you've found the Smart Notes template, click on it. You'll then see an option to add it to your workspace. Go ahead and do that. By adding this template, you're incorporating a powerful note-taking tool into your Notion ecosystem, enhancing how you capture and organize information. After you've added the template, the next step is to select your workspace. If you have multiple workspaces, choose the one where you want to use the template. For this video, I'll be using the example already provided in this particular workspace, which simplifies the process further. Within your workspace, you can customize your Smart Notes by changing the icon and cover images. Personalizing these elements can make your workspace feel more uniquely yours and visually appealing. Now, let's click on Start a New Note to get things rolling. Here, you have the option to switch to Phone View, which can be particularly helpful if you're working on a mobile device. In Phone View, you'll notice a well-organized structure that includes sections like Favorites, Inbox, Topics, Websites, Video Notes, and Archived. This layout makes it simple to categorize and retrieve your notes quickly. If you ever need to navigate back, just click on the upper left corner to return to the main Smart Notes section. Next, let's explore the note boards. Clicking on note boards reveals various types of notes, including an archive section for older notes you want to keep but not necessarily at the forefront. Then, check out the database. Here you can see all your notes in one place, categorized by different attributes. If you click on any specific note type, such as productivity, it's displayed in more detail, helping you manage your content more effectively. Checking off a note as recent will also automatically move it into your favorites, making it easily accessible for future reference. Finally, a neat feature to highlight is the ability to link a YouTube video directly to your notes. This can be a powerful way to integrate multimedia content directly into your note-taking process, enriching the information you store. And there you have it, the Smart Notes template, a free and efficient way to take your note-taking to the next level using Notion. Happy note-taking!